Have you heard about the hidden powers of moringa? In this video, you'll discover the 13 incredible benefits of this superfood that you've likely never heard before. Curious to learn more? Keep watching till the end. Protects against arsenic toxicity. Moringa has shown promise in protecting against arsenic toxicity, a significant concern in regions with contaminated water supplies. The high antioxidant content in moringa plays a crucial role in combating oxidative stress caused by arsenic. Studies have demonstrated that moringa leaves can mitigate arsenic-induced damage in vital organs, such as the liver and kidneys. This makes moringa a valuable natural remedy for populations at risk of arsenic exposure, offering a protective shield against this harmful contaminant. Improves sexual function. Moringa's role in enhancing sexual function is rooted in its rich nutrient profile, particularly its high levels of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. These nutrients are essential for maintaining hormonal balance and overall sexual health. Some studies have found that moringa extracts improved sexual performance in male rats by increasing testosterone levels and blood flow to the genital area. Additionally, moringa's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce stress and improve overall vitality, contributing to enhanced libido and sexual function. This makes moringa a natural aphrodisiac and a potent remedy for sexual health issues. Promotes wound healing. The healing properties of moringa extend to wound care, where its leaves, seeds, and oil have been traditionally used to promote faster recovery. Moringa is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, which is vital for collagen production and wound healing. The presence of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds also helps prevent infection and reduce inflammation at wound sites. Studies have highlighted moringa's effectiveness in accelerating wound closure and reducing scar formation. Moringa's comprehensive approach to wound care makes it a valuable addition to natural first aid treatments. Enhances kidney function. Moringa's diuretic properties make it beneficial for enhancing kidney function and promoting overall urinary health. By increasing urine output, moringa helps flush out toxins and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Research has demonstrated that moringa extract could protect against nephrotoxicity, often induced by certain medications and toxins. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in moringa play a significant role in protecting kidney tissues from oxidative damage and inflammation. Incorporating moringa into the diet can thus support kidney health and reduce the likelihood of kidney-related issues. Protects against heavy metal toxicity. Moringa's ability to chelate heavy metals, such as lead and mercury, makes it a powerful ally in detoxification. Heavy metal toxicity can lead to severe health problems, including neurological damage and organ failure. Studies have shown that moringa can bind to heavy metals, preventing their absorption in the body and facilitating their excretion. This detoxifying effect underscores moringa's potential in mitigating the harmful impacts of heavy metal exposure, protecting both human health and the environment. Supports bone density. Moringa's high calcium and phosphorus content makes it an excellent natural supplement for supporting bone health and density. As we age, maintaining bone strength becomes crucial to prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Studies have indicated that moringa leaves can significantly increase bone density and strength. The presence of essential amino acids and vitamins like K and D further enhances calcium absorption and bone metabolism. Regular consumption of moringa can therefore contribute to stronger, healthier bones, reducing the risk of fractures and bone-related disorders. Reduces symptoms of menopause. Moringa offers a natural approach to alleviating menopause symptoms, thanks to its phytoestrogens and rich nutrient profile. Phytoestrogens are plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body, helping to balance hormone levels during menopause. Moringa supplementation can reduce common menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, mood swings, and sleep disturbances. Additionally, moringa's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help manage oxidative stress, which is often elevated during menopause. Research has shown that moringa can improve overall well-being during this phase, making it a valuable dietary addition for menopausal women. Provides antifungal properties. Moringa's antifungal properties make it effective against various fungal infections, including those caused by Candida species. The bioactive compounds in moringa, such as isothiocyanates and flavonoids, contribute to its antifungal activity. These compounds disrupt the cell membranes of fungi, preventing their proliferation and spread. Studies have demonstrated that moringa extracts could inhibit the growth of several pathogenic fungi. This makes moringa a valuable natural remedy for fungal infections, offering a safer alternative to synthetic antifungal medications. Enhances mental well-being. The rich antioxidant profile of moringa plays a significant role in enhancing mental well-being and cognitive function. Moringa contains high levels of vitamins E and C, which combat oxidative stress and support brain health. Studies have shown that moringa extracts could improve memory and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression in animal models. Additionally, moringa's anti-inflammatory properties help protect the brain from neuroinflammation, a contributing factor to cognitive decline. Regular consumption of moringa can therefore support mental clarity, reduce stress, and promote overall mental health. Offers anti-aging benefits. Moringa is packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, one of the primary causes of aging. Its high content of vitamins A and E, along with other nutrients, helps to maintain healthy skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Antioxidants in moringa protect cells from damage and support the regeneration of skin tissues. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you can enjoy its anti-aging benefits, promoting a youthful and radiant appearance. Studies have shown that regular use of moringa can lead to noticeable improvements in skin health and vitality. Reduces the risk of kidney stones. The diuretic effect of moringa helps to increase urine production, which is crucial in preventing the formation of kidney stones. By promoting regular urination, moringa aids in flushing out excess minerals and toxins that could crystallize into stones. This natural diuretic property makes moringa an effective preventive measure against kidney stones, supporting overall kidney health and function. Research has indicated that moringa's natural compounds help maintain a healthy balance of minerals in the body, reducing the risk of stone formation. Alleviates asthma symptoms. Moringa's anti-inflammatory and bronchodilatory properties can help alleviate asthma symptoms. The plant contains compounds that reduce airway inflammation and improve lung function, making breathing easier for asthma sufferers. Studies have shown that moringa supplements can decrease the severity and frequency of asthma attacks. Including moringa in your diet may provide relief for those struggling with respiratory issues, enhancing their quality of life. Traditional medicine has long used moringa for respiratory conditions, highlighting its effectiveness in managing asthma symptoms. Reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Moringa's neuroprotective properties make it valuable in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Its high antioxidant content helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are common contributors to these conditions. Studies have indicated that moringa can improve cognitive function and memory, potentially delaying the onset and progression of neurodegenerative diseases. Incorporating moringa into your diet can thus support long-term brain health and cognitive function, offering a natural defense against age-related mental decline. How will you incorporate moringa in your diet? Let us know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.